Hi, Hobby Potter Live friends. It's time for another project. Well, let me tell you, I had 2,500 photos and videos on my cell phone, transferring them to my laptop. I don't know what I did, but I deleted the camera folder before all of them got transferred. One of the things I was recording was the project, and I already had the project. It was stenciling wind chimes, okay? That's what it was. But I wanted to show me drawing it. Let's do this. This is forms. So we are gonna pick another. You can choose to do stenciling wind chimes if you want to, but for presentation purposes, we're gonna do this. Oh, they're all stacked together. Shoot. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna sort. This one feels decent. What is it? A picture. Yay, we're gonna make a picture. I wanted to make a picture. I haven't made a picture in a long time. I like to make biggies, big pictures. Okay, so the design technique that we're gonna do on our pictures, it's perfect for summer, right? We're getting ready for summertime. Use a pitcher with lemonade, and these are all stacked together too. Hold on, which one? There's a bunch of them. See all of them here? Okay, 3. I'm sorry to make this so long. Oh, okay. So we are going to make pictures, and then the techniques we're gonna use are stamping or found tool textures. Form is a picture. Technique is stamping and found tool textures. So it's kind of texturing, but with stamping or found tools. So hope you guys share your journey. Hope you're able to get to it. I know a hobby potter's journey is a personal one, and everybody has their schedules and their times. The world is beginning to open up again, so hopefully those that have been displaced from their clay classes can get to those, and it'll make you feel the community a little bit closer. Thank you guys for sharing so much here. I love you all. Thank you all for the COVID care that you gave me. I really appreciated the prayers and the love, and I'm feeling much better. I'm about 95% better. My voice still sounds a little bit like a frog, but we're good. We're getting better. We're feeling good. We're making stuff in the studio. Hope you guys enjoy. Can't wait to see what you make. Mwah.